the mountain, down the valley, on the land, and in the sea. How are you? Are you okay? I am fine. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. We're still in division, exploring more and more ways of dividing. Now, I have 24 divide 8. Assuming these are my 24 apples and I'm supposed to divide them among how many peoples? 8 peoples. How many will each get? Another method, another way that those who prefer it this way, these are 8. How many? 8. These are 8 pupils. So this one gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So you ask yourself, how many apples are in each container? 1, 2, 3. So what is 24 divided by 3? 8 is 3. Okay? I've been told I have 21 pencils to share them among 7 pupils. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So how many does each get? 1, 2, 3. Each gets 3. Here I've been told I share out the 15 books among the 5 pupils. I share out the 15 books among the 5 pupils. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many books does each pupil get? 1, 2, 3. Each pupil gets 3 books. Any question? So there are several methods you can use, provided you know very well what do you want. Okay? You can decide to use this one where you're putting in pellets. You can decide to use the counters. You can decide to represent using abstraction, using the different objects. Any question up to there? So for question 4 and 5, you're carrying it home as homework using the same example. Was that okay? I want to wish you well and have a blessed day. Thank you.